Hi everyone. This is week 8, assignment 8 for database management system. It's the last assignment. I have already solved. There are references. I'm going to share this. Before your submission, please do cross check. For question 1, option C, 2, C, 3, A and C, 4, D, 5, B, 6, C, 7, the D, 8th A and C, 9th D, 10th A. These are the answers I have shortlisted based on my selection. Please wait for your submission to cross check. When I'm shooting this is 218, last day, 2 days only. So make it as a reference and do cross check before your submission. Okay. Thank you.